Welcome to the next section, Stock Price Prediction with Regression Algorithms. In this section, we will be solving a problem that absolutely interests everyone, predicting stock price. A variety of methods have been developed to predict stock price using machine learning techniques. We herein will be focusing on learning several popular regression algorithms, including linear regression, regression tree, and regression forest, as well as support vector regression, and utilizing them to tackle this billion or trillion-dollar problem. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with a brief overview of the stock market and stock price. In this video, we will be working as a quantitative analyst researcher, exploring how to predict stock price with several typical machine learning regression algorithms. A stock of a corporation signifies ownership in the corporation. A single share of the stock represents a claim on fractional assets and earnings of the corporation in proportion to the total number of shares. Major stock exchanges include the New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, London Stock Exchange Group, Shanghai Stock Exchange, and Hong Kong Stock Exchange. The basic idea is investors want to buy low and sell high. It is very challenging to implement, as it is monumentally difficult to say whether a stock will go up or down. There are two main streams of studies attempting to understand factors and conditions that lead to price changes, or even forecast future stock price: fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis focuses on underlying factors that influence a company's value and business, including overall economy and industry conditions from macro perspectives, company financial conditions, management, and competitors from micro perspectives. Technical analysis, on the other hand, predicts future price movements through a statistical study of past trading activity, including price movement, volume, and market data. Predicting prices via machine learning techniques is an important topic in technical analysis nowadays. Many quant trading firms have been using machine learning to empower automated and algorithmic trading. Let's now move to regression. Regression is another main instance of supervised learning in machine learning. Given a training set of data containing observations and their associated continuous outputs, the goal of regression is to explore the relationships between the observations and the targets, and to output a continuous value based on the input features of an unknown sample. The major difference between regression and classification is that the outputs in the regression are continuous, while discrete in classification. This leads to different application areas for these two supervised learning methods. Classification is basically used in determining desired memberships or characteristics, such as email being spam or not, news topics, and ad being clicked through or not. Regression mainly involves estimating an outcome or forecasting a response. Let's look at the examples of machine learning regression. Predicting house prices based on location, square footage, and number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Estimating power consumption based on information of a system's processes and memory. Retail inventory forecasting. And of course, stock price prediction. In this video, we have briefly overviewed the stock market and stock price.